Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. So time check, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and it's the 13th of June. Here we go again. Welcome to Puerto del Carmen. What a lovely day here in Puerto del Carmen today. It's a little bit high tide as you can see, but it's a very nice day and a little bit breezy and fresh at the same time. So it's happy Puerto del Carmen today. So anyway, this is a quick update of Puerto del Carmen. As you can see, there's a lot of people, which is summer. That's awesome. That's what we want, you know, busy place. And of course the weather is there, always blue sky, sunshine everywhere, and people are happy because of that. It's a good thing though. All the restaurants and bars right here are working well. So if you're fancy to join, this is the channel you go. So let's go folks. Let's have a quick walk here. Look, Africa. Want to see some live music every night? They do right here in Africa. Mulligan's Karaoke Family Bar. I have no idea, never been there. I've been there once when it's the old owner, but now I've never been. There's a lot of people complaining about that. Something's going on around inside. I don't know, it's just a rumor or truth. And yeah, I don't have any bad comments or like that because I never experienced it. So yep, welcome to Bungalows of Puerto del Carmen. Woohoo! Wow, what a great place to go. Rocas Blanca, as always, working well. As far as I know, this place is gonna be renovating soon, so I think they're starting up at the very end, at the back. The front is just like you know, they let it be to flow and work a little bit, and maybe in a few weeks time they're gonna close as well. So the beach, how's the beach today? There's a lot of movements around, people are everywhere, and yeah, it's hot. Temperature today is about 27 up to 30 degrees. There's slightly breeze, so it's fresh. And of course, it's lovely weather. Woo, woo, woo. Look at the beach right now. Wow. This is what you're gonna see when the island is full or not. This is my measuring place. If this beach is, there's a lot of people, it's busy. When it's not, you know how quiet it is, the place. But right now, look. Ouch, look, wow. You see how many people in the beach right now. It's not yet busy, but I mean, look. And that kind of people, you know, the place is busy, right? Of course, bars and restaurants as well. Hidden gems somewhere there. There's a lot of places now you can hang out, stay for there and watch the time flies by. You know, they have a big terrace, lots of drinks and lots of food. So advice for you guys, if you want to enjoy yourself, don't drink too much. You know, we have lots of alcohol choices around here and it's very cheap. So you can do whatever you want, but don't excessively drinking. That will harm you. Or even not, you get a headache for the rest of the day and your day is ruined. So I highly advise, drink moderately folks. Look at this, wow. Place is packed of people having a great time. So I encourage everyone to come here and enjoy this beautiful what do you call this, island that we have. And of course the party people is right there. Harbor Rock, O'Reilly's, Waikiki Beach. There's a lot of places you can go and enjoy the nightlife. And Route 66, of course, American Indian, there's the best. But for some reason, I really recommend it to go in the big place like American Indian and Route 66. I will enjoy it to the fullest. Of course, the Harder Rock, they do the same thing, but I mean, it's better to be in this one than there. Very loud out there in Central. But if you go there, well, the fun never stops. That's the thing around here. So I do my thing, walking around and telling people what's going on. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I didn't put any video every day, every other day. So I got a big story to tell, guys. I got a dream ride that I'm planning for so many months ago, and I accomplished it yesterday. So you will see the video. Not much video because, you know, enjoying the ride, but you can see the glimpse of what I'm heading or what I'm doing while riding, and see the place I've never been to. So I hope you like it, folks. We're gonna put in somewhere this week or next week. So yeah, but our daily updates here in Puerto del Carmen is the same. No schedule, it's just when I got the video, when I got the filming, post it the next day or the other day. That's the thing around, you know, doing some YouTube videos. It's not the video anymore. It's just like I want to tell people what's really happening around here. You know, just I'm making video to see what's the real update. I'm just, for me, this is the way I can tell people what's going on around. Even they go to the restaurant and they see me, I can't even talk sometimes, you know, because I'm too busy. Because I need things to do and I'm working. But I mean, if I have a chance, I get a few chats, yeah, laugh around if I have a chance. If I don't, well, I made some rep magnets, so I give them some souvenirs just in case. That's the only gesture I can do. If I'm so busy, I can't even talk to them, you know, just saying hello, because I'm serving a lot of tables as well. So I'm sorry about that, folks, but yeah, you know me, you can see me here in Puerto del Carmen and giving you the best video so far. Of course, the update of everything's going on, especially here in Puerto del Carmen. I'm not going anywhere, folks. Gonna post every single day if I can here in Puerto del Carmen, especially now summer. Summer's just awesome, busy, lots of people. Feels empty here, but look at this, busy. Of course, the beds and umbrella as well right here is busy. So it's awesome. And it's hot, very hot, very hot today. So if you come here in this kind of weather, please put some sunscreen, especially to all the people who want to have their little bit of brown skin, just like me. Put some sunscreen or stay in the shade. It's much better for you guys, so you not get sunburn. That hurts, you know. Even though you're in the, what do you call this, if you get sunburn, right? I know this lots of people will relate in this one. If you get some sunburn and then you let it after a few hours, and then in the evening comes, it's still hot, you feel hot, still burning. So that's the problem of having a sunburn. That's why I highly recommend people put some sunscreen so you can enjoy the rest of the night, not having a complication about your skin. So yeah, feeling well, this is the time. Wow. With all the restaurants, well, this part is a little bit quiet, but they do well in the evening. So, but the big thing is here. the beach. Wow, and it's fresh as well. It's not super hot. The wind is not super hot. Just gonna enjoy yourself here, folks. You know, when I arrived to Ursula, especially the town, it's just very quiet out there. You know, in the front. Past few seconds when I enter the streets of Ursula, it's just so quiet. It's deserted, to be honest. You know, like all the windows are closed, doors are closed. It's just like nobody there. And then suddenly, after a few seconds, I arrive in the port where all the ferries are right there to go around Puerto Calero, and Graciosa Island is right there. There's a lot of people. It's right there. It's like the commercial thing is in the port, but it's very tiny. So I just have a coffee there and have a sandwich and go back again. But I enjoy the place, of course. You know, it's been a while since I went there. The last time I checked, I went there like a few years ago. It never changed a bit. But I mean, compared to Puerto del Carmen, that place is very quiet. And it's very tiny. But you know, I achieved my goals. That's my dream ride, so I made it. Good for me. I made it. And yeah, I documented a little bit, but the rest is just I'm enjoying the scenery, enjoying the ride, even though it's so hot. It's a long way, like 100 kilometers. Like 50 from here up to Ursula, and then Ursula to Puerto del Carmen is another 50. So it's 100 kilometers. Jeez, I can't even feel my legs until now, but yeah, I'm so happy I made it. I went out about 7 a.m. in the morning. I arrived in Ursula about 10 or half past 10. Have a half an hour break, coffee and sandwiches, and then went back home. And I got home about 1:30 in the afternoon. It's much faster, I think, because I didn't film. You know, just keep on pedaling and then go home. You know, just want to go home and finish the job. You know what I mean? But when I'm going there, start filming, and things went off in different places. It's like I stopped for a couple of minutes for a quick selfie, and then quick video, and I said, look at this, busy ones, busy street. Look at this Irish Rover, working well, very nice. I think there's a lot of people are enjoying this place than Centro Atlantico. Well, you just cross the road, you can go to the beach as well, so it's very nice. The busiest place here is here in Puerto del Carmen. Not gonna lie, folks, when you go in the old town, I don't know, maybe a few tables there, but not much as Puerto del Carmen. So this is our quick update of Puerto del Carmen. Wow, beautiful day. It's hot. I feel hot. I know some of you may find this very interesting, or some of you just getting tired of seeing this place every single day in my video, and we do the same thing. It never changed. You know why? Because if I change this one, you're not gonna watch it anymore. So yeah, that's the thing. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for coming with me, enjoying this video, and I hope you like this one. And yeah, please subscribe and follow BeansPH in Facebook page, BeansPH, and Instagram as well, BeansPH, and yeah, our YouTube channel, BeansPH, and of course Puerto del Carmen. Hello Puerto del Carmen, how are you today? So yeah, that's it folks. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. This is it. Cheers. Bye bye.